The Titan submarine lost since June 20, 2023 in the Atlantic with 5 tourists who went to see wreck of the Titanic. Surveillances are searching, around the clock, got only banging sound audio. It lost in an area about 900 miles east of Cape Cod, in the North Atlantic, in water depth of about 13,000 feet, 3,800 meters. Titan's carbon fiber walls are 5 inches, 13 centimeters, thick and the vessel is capped with titanium domes. Titan weighs is 9,525 kilograms, 21,000 pounds, and 21 feet long. It can travel at a speed of 3 knots, 3.5 miles per hour, using electric thrusters. Tickets cost is $250,000, 195,000 pounds, for an 8-day trip. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Kirkland Media YouTube channel.